Okay, this is the 220S with the Combini board that I was getting the death roll, and it was always motor number 3 that was shutting down in flight. I thought I had it figured out by updating firmware, recalibrating, but still did it. So took it apart, checked all the solder joints, the chips, the circuit board on the ESC, everything looked fine. I'm really anal when it comes to soldering, so all that was good. No burn marks on the circuit board or on the chips, so I ended up replacing the ESC. So now we're going to see if it actually is fixed. It is really windy out here, so let's see. Well, the battery, the Velcro came off. Century, and we're still using fucking Velcros. Maybe somebody needs to teach me how to put a fucking Velcro on. Apparently. Motherfucker. I hate this shit. I gotta change the prop. One prop broke. I killed